Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this project, I'm doing something different. I'm going to use this mixed media paper. Then I'm going to use lot of different elements in this. Some are dyes and some are chipboards and other stuff. Then I'm using dilutions spray that is called Tangerine Dream and Distress Oxide that is carved pumpkin. Then here I'm going to adhere it with using the glue. This is my first layer. Then I'm going to add small elements. These are from Tim Holtz. Then I'm going to add um, lots of small elements. So I think if you don't have some of these things, you can just stamp it and use those. These are like small pieces from the Tim Holtz. Um, it's like a packet that has all these small elements in there. And then I'm spraying some of these distress oxide. Then I'm going to spray some water and spread it out. Then I'm going to dry it and then use this stamp. It's more like a grungy stamp. If I find this stamp, I'm going to add it in my description box. Then I'm using the other stamp. I'm just making it a little bit grungy background. Then I'm going to dry it. Then the next layer I'm going to add is little more elements. These are like from leftover dyes, so I usually don't throw it. So I can use this like in different projects. Then I'm using now this silicone kind of like a stamp. Then I added some dye. Now I'm adding this distress oxide. um, I'm just splattering on the top. I'm going to wait and make sure that it is all dry. Now I'm adding the other elements. This is like a small chipboard I'm adding in this. Again, these are from Tim Holtz product. So I use the leftover dyes in this way. Then I'm using this flour, which is like a paper flour. And now I'm going to add these words sticker, and I'm going to be adding like in different areas. Then adding some butterfly. So I am going to finish this project. One last thing is I'm just going to add some color in the background. I'm using Neo Color crayons. I'm adding this color because it gives little bit of brightness in the background. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. So I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.